Hi and welcome back. In this video, I would like to share with you a very simple potato fry recipe with using very little oil. It's an air fryer recipe. For this, I'll be using an Instant Pot air fryer lid, but you can use any air fryer that you have. For this recipe, you will need very few ingredients and they're also optional. I'm going to use around 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, pinch of turmeric powder. These are 3 potatoes diced into small cubes, and I'll be using around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So the optional ingredients here are coriander powder and garlic cloves. You can also substitute red chili powder with black pepper powder or any seasoning of your choice. So the first step is to season your potatoes. Add around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Since this is Indian curry, turmeric is a must. So add some turmeric powder. Add salt. And I'm not going to add any of these ingredients now. I'll use them later. Quickly mix all of this. Make sure that oil, turmeric and salt are applied to all the potato pieces. Once you have mixed the potato, now I'll show you the instructions on how to use the Instant Pot air fryer. You take the inner lid and place your basket that came with your air fryer lid. Take a spray and just spray in the inner basket just once, just so that the ingredients do not stick to the bottom. Just place the potato in the basket. I'm going to make sure they are evenly spaced. Okay. And now place your air fryer lid. Make sure it sits well. Plug in your air fryer lid. Turn on air fry. Set it to 380 degrees and 20 minutes. And press start. So at the 10-minute mark, you hear a beep and it says turn foot. So I'm gonna open this lid. So I'm just gonna toss the potatoes a bit so they're gonna fry evenly. And you can notice that they're turning golden brown. So just another 10 minutes and these will be perfectly cooked. At this point, I'm gonna add the garlic cloves. Now close the lid again. Again, this is 375 at 10 minutes now and start. Let's take a quick look. So you can notice how well they're fried. They're golden brown. So I'm gonna take this out. Put it in a bowl. So to this, when it's hot, add your red chili powder and then add coriander powder. Mix it or toss it so that the spices are covered well. And a simple, tasty, I would like to say a bit healthy, because you're not deep frying the potatoes, but you get the same taste. I've used only 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and look how well each potato piece is separate from each other. And you don't get this when you make it on the stove. They stick together and form a lump, and it needs a lot of practice to get them separate. But with the air fryer, anybody can make us delicious potato fry. So I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel and try this recipe out. For more such recipes, go through my channel. So see you all in the next video. Bye bye.